Hello everyone, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial. And in this video, we will be learning how we can fix the issue of the start menu that is not working on our Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. So here's a step-by-step guide. The first step is to open the run command. Now, if you can't open the run command in the Windows icon, since it's not working, then all we need to do is just to go to the keyboard, and there you need to press the Windows R key altogether. And just like that, you will now be opening the run window. So here all you need to do is just to type regedit. And then once you have already typed it, you can now click on enter or OK. And then here all you need to do is just to click on yes with this user account control window. The next thing you need to do is to go to the relevant registry path. So in this registry editor window, let me just quickly minimize everything. So in this window, all you need to do is just to go to the H key local machine, proceed with system. And then here we need to go with current control set. And from here, we need to go to services. Now in these services, we need to go to the WPN services. So just scroll down and we will be brought to the W section. So here, we are now in the W section. We will be looking for WPN services. This one. So all we need to do here is just to modify the start value, this one. Just make a right click on that and then you will be seeing this modify option. So all you need to do is to change the value data. So the value data field will show a number likely 2 in most cases. So we need to go to, or we need to try values from 0 to 4 until you find the one that makes you start menu work. Okay, so you can either have this 0, and if the 0 value doesn't work, then you can go back to this window and then set it to 1. So you can set the values from 0 to 4. And after doing this one, you need to test the changes. So you can start again with 0 and then click on OK. And then after doing this, you need to make a quick restart with your device to check if the start menu is working. And if the start menu still doesn't work, then you need to go back to this service registry key and then modify again the start value. So enter again a value. And this time you will need to enter another or a different value, which could be 1, 2, 3, or 4. And then restart again your system. And continue trying values from 0 to 4 until you find the correct one that resolves the issue. So be sure to restart your computer after each change. So let's just close this window. And that's it. So if this solution works, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again in the next one. Bye bye.